You may not even have considered a townhome when you're beginning your home search. But today, I'm going to take you on a tour of the Parkside Townhome community located in Venetian Bay. These townhomes may have you reconsidering. Hi, I'm Tiffany with homesofdaytonabeach.com. Let's go take a look. So you've started your search for your next home, and maybe you haven't really thought about living in a townhome. Maybe you thought, it feels more like an apartment than it does a home. Well, these townhomes here at Parkside are just amazing. The neighborhood is located within the larger community of Venetian Bay here in New Smyrna Beach. These townhomes are 2 stories tall, they're going to have 2-car garages, and you're going to have floor plans ranging from about 1,600 square feet to just over 2,000 square feet. You're also going to find homes that have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, up to 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. This community is a little different than some of the other ones located within Venetian Bay. It does have its own private community pool for residents to use. There is a master HOA here that's paid to the community of Venetian Bay, and then there's also a sub HOA that is paid to the community of Parkside. With that sub HOA, you're going to get maintenance of all the common areas and the pool. You're also going to get lawn care, pest control, and it covers your roof and your exterior paint, which I think is very unique. These townhomes are really deceiving from the outside. It doesn't look like there's going to be as much space inside as what there actually is. The ceilings are really tall and it just makes it feel that much bigger, and all of these do have nice open floor plans. You also have the option of joining the club at Venetian Bay as a resident here. It includes another swimming pool as well as a tiki bar, and they do lots of fun community events throughout the year. It is optional, so you don't have to join it if you don't want to. Parkside is just a short bike ride or walk to the Venetian Bay Town Center. Here you're going to find a gym, spa, salon, plenty of restaurants including Bistro 424 and Happy Deli. There is a convenience store here as well as a community church. Venetian Bay is also really well known for having one of the best golf courses in the entire county. You can play around here on their 18-hole golf course. You can rent golf carts. They also have a restaurant and bar that you can relax in after your game. Parkside here in Venetian Bay is in a really fabulous location. If you enjoy heading over to Orlando to go to some of the theme parks like Disney World, Universal Studios, or SeaWorld, you're going to be just a little over an hour's drive to all of these theme parks and all that Orlando has to offer. If you've been thinking about taking a cruise or you love to cruise, you'll be happy to hear that Parkside here in Venetian Bay is under an hour's drive to Port Canaveral. There are tons of different cruise ships to choose from, and you can go to so many awesome places like the Bahamas, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, and Central America. It's a really fun activity that's really close to home. If you do prefer to keep it a little closer to home, don't worry. New Smyrna Beach itself has a ton of things to offer residents. New Smyrna Beach is really well known for its excellent surfing. So if that's something that you're interested in, grab your board, head on down to Flagler Avenue and park in the public parking spaces and walk right onto the beach. Flagler Avenue also has a lot of other fun things to do, such as shops, and they have plenty of restaurants and bars. So what are your thoughts on townhomes now? If maybe you're thinking they're still not for you, that's okay. Just check out our playlist on our channel of the many other neighborhoods here in Venetian Bay and let us know what you think about those. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about these townhomes and if you could see yourself living in one. For the most up-to-date information about all of the active properties here in Venetian Bay, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.